Now I know to stop worrying about that deep water coming over here. Dude.
Well, first time we came in together. What's going on again, guys? We are back here on the ice. I have Daisy, my dog, with me. She took a little ride with me, took a nap on the car ride there. I made a sled for her with some pillows and blankets because it was cold out and it was snowing when we got on the ice. And she rode around in her little sled while I was fishing all day. This was a quick trip. I had a great day with my dog there, and this is a little bit of the content from the day.
The butterworms today. Got the schoolie rod, you know what it is. It's a little tip up bobber rod. From a guy. Get it nice and hooked up on there. There we go. There's a bite. Higher up in the column. Oh, he popped off? Tell me he didn't. Oh, there you go. Feels good, Gil. Yeah. Look at you. Nice little Gil. See you. Dude, yeah, but I've watched trout run right under the hole, like in 3 or 4 feet of water. Yeah, I haven't. I got into ice fishing just over 2 years ago, and I'm just getting more experience. Big enough, and you do it. Like I'm not familiar with these, so like I don't see these often. But like that's just a hanging wire. I've seen guys with the Garmin Striker. They'll put it on PVC. I bet you it's about at least 26. I think we were playing with that when I was looking at Fred's.
Okay, now move your lure. Those are all fish. Pick it up. Keep going until you see a lure. See a lure?
It's crazy. It's funny.
But
That's nuts how they'll follow it up.
You know?
So.
And see, I do it a lot more aggressively, especially when I'm using a spoon.
Yeah, I brought minnows out for weeks, but I wasn't catching anything. There it is.
See, now.
Thank you for all this advice.
What I would do,
I appreciate it.
Pull this out like this.
Yeah.
And usually I got a hand.
Yeah.
Far out.
That's a nice eater.
Really surprised. Somebody told me that's why the people over in the gas rate is so prevalent now. Spanish flu with the hurricane.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Now when you get, let me show you something.
Yeah. I'm here to learn. There's more coming up. Look at that.
See how fast it's coming up?
Mm-hmm.
Watch your spring bobber.
Just smack it.
Yep. I just pulled it out of its ball.
Yeah.
But see, if you're getting one of the more
That's
aggressive fish out of the crowd, you follow it up.
So it creates a frenzy on the bait too?
Yeah, might follow it back up, but you're better off to...
Hey, he's following it.
You're better off to pay attention to that crowd.
He's following it.
Yep.
Yeah.
See how you can...
That's cool, man.
You can actually coax the fish.
That's freaking cool, man. That's a nice kill.
Oh, yeah.
That's nuts, man. See, I know what I'm missing, but I try not to worry and think I'm missing anything, because it really, I have just as much fun doing what I'm. Definitely got smacked when I just put that down, but let her sit for a second. I put 2 worms on there.
Fish just showed up since you started moving it. So you're on 21.
So that little bit of green is something moving.
Yeah, that could be, 2 or 3 bluegills down there. It could be a yellow perch.
Could be a trout just laying on the bottom by himself.
Yeah, a couple of them just hang out like that. They fucking.
They dart. As soon as I started looking away, I'm looking at the red start to come up. There's something on. I just pulled him to the side of the ice. That's why he's there. As soon as I went to pull away, feels alright too. This? No, this is what came with it. This is what comes with the spoolie rods. Oh, God. As soon as I let it sit. As soon as I let it sit above them.
I don't care who you are, you can't hold your hand still enough without that little lure down there moving that burn.
I want to see that. Nice big crappie, dude. Yeah, man. You're in a crappie pile over here. That's another nice one, too. Watch out, sis. Ooh, that's on. Yeah. Ooh. It's got some size to it. Whatever it is. Trout. Another nice fish, man. Coming up nice. Now I know to stop worrying about that deep water coming over here. Dude. I've been coming here this season. You're just pulling them out left and right here, man. I'm gonna walk her up and leave a spoolie rod in the hole. Nice drop. Easy. Who's a good girl? That's good doodle. Come on, baby.
Well, we had another good day. It was a quick trip. I got the pup out there. But I got to meet another nice guy on the ice who showed me a lot of nice information that I can learn from. He gave me a couple of his crappie. I caught the 2 gills and the trout. But he kept a couple, I kept a couple. Made myself a nice sandwich. Got it nice and spicy, put some cheese on it. Made a tartar sauce with a Tabasco. Cranked down a beer and had a good day. As always, guys, this is Declan and C. My name is Declan. I'm really having fun making these videos. If you like what I'm doing, go to the page, like, subscribe, follow, share, get us out there. We're trying to take more trips. Let us know if you want to come on one with us.